Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that so many of you have requested: how to master the art of conversation with women. Whether you're looking to make a great first impression or strengthen an existing relationship, knowing how to communicate effectively is key. So let's get into it with 10 simple steps to level up your conversation skills with women. Step 1. Be genuinely curious. One of the biggest mistakes people make in conversations is focusing too much on themselves. Instead, show a real interest in her world. Ask questions about her hobbies, passions, or experiences, and listen attentively. Curiosity creates engagement and shows that you value her perspective. Step 2. Maintain good eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues. It shows confidence and interest. But remember, it's all about balance. Don't stare her down, but don't keep looking away either. Find that sweet spot where you're engaged without being intimidating. Step 3. Avoid overthinking. Often we get stuck in our heads, worrying about saying the perfect thing. The truth is, it's not about perfection, it's about connection. So, relax. Go with the flow and allow the conversation to unfold naturally. Step 4. Compliment without overdoing it. Compliments can be a great way to build rapport, but only if they're sincere and specific. Instead of generic compliments like, "You're beautiful," try something more thoughtful like, "I really admire your passion for art. It's inspiring." Step 5. Practice active listening. This means not just hearing what she's saying, but responding thoughtfully. Nodding, asking follow-up questions, and paraphrasing what she said shows that you're fully engaged in the conversation. Step 6. Use humor, sparingly and appropriately. Humor is a great icebreaker, but it's important to read the room. What's funny to you might not be funny to her, so try to keep your jokes light and relevant. If you make her laugh, great, but don't force it. Step 7. Keep the conversation balanced. Conversations are a two-way street. Make sure you're not dominating the talk, but also don't be overly passive. Share about yourself, but give her plenty of room to speak too. Step 8. Be respectful of boundaries. If the conversation drifts into personal territory and she seems uncomfortable, steer it back. Respecting boundaries is crucial to building trust and creating a safe space for meaningful dialogue. Step 9. Stay present and mindful. Avoid distractions like checking your phone or looking around the room. Being fully present in the moment shows that you value her time and are genuinely interested in what she has to say. Step 10. End on a positive note. Whether it's the end of a casual chat or a date, wrap things up by expressing that you enjoyed the conversation. A simple, "This was great, I'd love to chat again sometime," leaves things open for future conversations. And there you have it. 10 steps to mastering the art of conversation with women. Remember, it's all about being present, respectful, and authentic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below with any